Hi, I'm Michelle Fanto-chan with the Kehrig team, and we are here in front of our new listing at 16 Canary Court in Danville. And like all of our listings, part of the proceeds from this home will go to support St. Jude's Children's Hospital. This gorgeous Danville home has 2,450 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Come on in, let's take a look. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. This home has been completely redone with fresh paint, new flooring, and the kitchen here has a 6-burner Wolf stove, and I love this window that looks out over an amazing yard. I love this backyard with the covered patio, pergola, and then all these amazing fruit trees and garden area. For more information about this home, contact me, Michelle Fanto-chan, at 925-899-1700. You can also reach me at michelle@kehrigteam.com or check out our website, kehrigteam.com. Thanks and see you soon.